Hi guys, let's go meet the Umbra staff in the school.
Hey Elgin.
Hey guys.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm Elgin. I'm the academic director here at the Umbra Institute, and I'm responsible for all kinds of things, but above all, curricular development. Come on up.
How's your day going?
My day so far is going pretty well, thanks.
What made you move to Perugia?
I was still in graduate school, actually, when I moved to Perugia, and I moved here to work at the Umbra Institute.
What was your favorite thing you did this week?
This week at work, my favorite thing was probably a really cool brainstorming session I had with my colleagues.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, my favorite quote is actually, the only thing I know is that I know nothing. It kind of keeps me humble when I think that I know a lot of things.
What do you normally order at a cafe?
At a cafe, I like to order cappuccino, even if it's afternoon. Although in Italy you're not supposed to do that, but I still like my cappuccino.
Do you have any advice for someone who is hesitant about studying abroad?
Yeah, I can understand you might be hesitant, but take a look at all the videos you find of students who are studying abroad. I think your hesitations will go away. It's probably the best time you're gonna have. Oh, hey Zach!
I'm Zach Nowak, I'm the director.
How long have you worked for Umbra?
This is my 16th year.
What is the best gelato flavor?
Oh, coffee. Cafe, obviously.
Can you tell us a joke?
Of course I can tell you a joke. I'm the funniest staff member at Umbra. What washes up on really small beaches? Microwaves.
Now, show us your best dance move.
Oh, I think it's just standing and going like this.
What do you do in your free time?
Read books and sit on my terrace and look out on the beautiful valley below me.
Tell us a fun fact about you.
I know how to play the guitar poorly.
What made you move to Perugia?
Beauty and good food and public transport and national healthcare.
Hi, I am Arianna, and I am a student services staff member.
How has your day been so far?
Not bad.
What did you have for breakfast?
For breakfast I had a yogurt, jam, and apple.
What is the best part about being a part of the staff here?
Basically the funny chat with the staff members and also random chat with students.
What do you normally do on Sundays?
Most of the time I just sleep, but sometimes I also do hiking.
What is your favorite part of Perugia?
Panoramic views, especially the one near to the Birraio.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do. It's a cat. Do you want to know what its name?
Yes.
It's Teresanna, Madeleine de Miagoletti, Contessa di Mansardia, la gran pucciosa prodiga.
Show us your best dance move.
Oh no.
Tell us a fun fact about you.
My cat's name? Teresanna, Madeleine de Miagoletti, Contessa di Mansardia, la gran pucciosa prodiga. It's weird. Oh, ciao Stefano.
Ciao, come va?
Bene, e tu?
Bene, bene. So, I'm Stefano. I work in the Student Services Office, and I'm also a social media coordinator for the Umbra Institute.
What are you doing later today?
Today I'm doing a wine tasting.
Do you like dolphins or koalas more?
Dolphins, by far.
What do you love on your pizza?
It's very simple. Tomato sauce and mozzarella.
What makes you smile the most?
Zach's jokes.
What washes up on really small beaches? Microwaves.
What's one thing you've always wanted to do but you're afraid to try?
Parachuting.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chocolate.
What is your favorite thing to do in Perugia?
Maybe the cinema. Yeah, I love the cinema scene in Perugia.
Who's your favorite staff member here?
That's my best kept secret.
What's a hidden talent you have?
I do a fantastic dance move.
Show us. Woo! Do you have any weekend plans?
Yes, I'm going to see my family and friends in my hometown.
Ciao guys! Eleonora, nice to meet you. I'm the Student Services Assistant at Umbra.
What's your favorite place to meet up with friends in Perugia?
The movie theater, because it's fun and there's a lot of bars around it, and Corso Cavour for the same reason, plus gardens.
What's your favorite movie?
Back to the Future, because every time I watch it, it does the trick.
Do you like coffee or tea more?
Definitely coffee.
What is the best part about working for Umbra?
It's meeting new students every semester and helping them through their daily lives here, seeing them grow from their first to their last day, and also having fun moments.
Where is the best place you've ever been?
The beach in Sardinia.
Do you prefer sunsets or sunrises?
Summer sunsets in Sardinia and winter sunrises.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one, younger than you. Che fai qua, Giacomo?
Scusate, non stavo guardando niente.
This is my desk! Come on!
Hello, I'm Jacopo and I'm the program coordinator.
And this is not your desk.
How are you today?
I'm Golden.
Do you prefer dark chocolate or milk chocolate?
Milk chocolate is the best.
What is your favorite dessert?
Probably tiramisu.
What are you most excited for in your life right now?
My daughter, I recently became a father and it's the most exciting thing in my life.
What is your favorite food to make at home?
Lasagna, which is also my favorite food to eat at home.
Favorite Umbra Institute field trip?
Probably Capri. Hey! Wow.
Ciao, I'm Alessandro. I'm the coordinator for student housing and institute facilities at Umbra.
What time do you normally wake up?
I wake up at 7:30.
What do you do in your free time?
I love to read. I love to travel around with my motorcycle and I love judo training.
What do you value the most?
I value friendship, family because I'm Italian, and being gentle but strong, and personal growth.
What got you into motorcycling?
It was a dream, you know, since I was a kid. When I had the chance to realize it, I just did it. Hey!
Alessandro, ciao.
Hey.
Bene, ciao.
Come stai?
Bene, I need a coffee. Can you walk with me?
Of
I need
course.
coffee too. Let's
Okay,
go.
let's walk.
So, what do you do at Umbra?
So I'm Manuel and I coordinate the community engagement and I also work with the food studies program.
Do you have any plans this weekend?
Yeah, I'm going hiking.
What's one thing most people don't know about you?
That I love to read many books.
What's your favorite book?
Infinite Jest by David Foster Wallace.
What's inspiring you in life right now?
I guess living in Perugia, working at Umbra, my colleagues, and reading books.
What would you like to be remembered for?
I don't know, my beauty.
Do you have a secret talent?
No, they are all well known.
What's your coffee order in the morning?
Coffee. I drink too much coffee.
What's your favorite thing to do at Umbra?
Working with students, I love them.
What's your favorite thing about Perugia?
It's the hills, the countryside, and also the city center.
Ciao a tutti ragazzi! We're done.
Friendship and openness and stop.
Okay, we did it!
Okay.
No.
Hi guys! Oh, hi!
How many siblings?
Let's do friends!
Hi.
Wait, what?
Wait. It was
Oh, wait, who is this?
Wait, actually, stop.
You're in them right now.
Okay. So, I was at the movies. Oh!
Hey!
Che fai qua?
Al tuo computer.
That's my spot, and this is my garden.
Can we do that again?
What
happened?
What did you say?
Thing over there.
Because you don't know the spaces around here.
And it
It's a hard
hurts.
geometry.